Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm making strawberries and cream, or fresas con crema. This is something simple and easy to make, and it's such a treat. Okay, to start here I have fresh strawberries. I will be reserving maybe 2 or 3 for garnish, but for the most part I've already removed the stems, the leafy part, and now I'm going to slice them. Okay, so I'm reserving these for garnish. I sliced some and I left some whole. And here are my chopped strawberries. So to that, I am going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of, I'm using clear vanilla extract. Use what you have. Just a little bit. Oops. And I'm not going to dress these in sugar or anything else. Just the vanilla extract, because the sugar and sweetness is going to come from the cream sauce that I'm creating. That is done. I'm going to let that hang out. Okay, so here's my bowl. So to that, I am going to add a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Now, traditionally, you can use sour cream, but I have Greek yogurt to use, so that's what we're doing today. But I'm also going to add a 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. And I am using a 1/2 cup of Mexican table cream. You can use heavy cream, but I pretty much, if you guys want to know some of my pantry staples, Mexican table cream is definitely, well, it's not a pantry staple, but it's in my fridge, and I'll show you it's this. I use this all the time. So I'm using the rest of what was in here. It was about a 1/2 cup. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk to this. Now, the sweetness in this recipe is up to you. If you find a 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk too sweet, start with 2 tablespoons and taste and work your way up from there. Now I'm just going to give this a good mix and combine well. Okay, so this is my cream mixture for the strawberries and cream. You can taste it for sweetness. If you want to add flavoring in here, go for it, but this is pretty much it. And the ratios are very forgiving. If you want more of a tang to it, add more sour cream or Greek yogurt, but this tastes really good. And here you go, that's it. This is fresas con crema, strawberries with cream. Very easy. And it's a very simple dessert. It's a treat. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.